Ever start a DIY project with a cheap drill, only to realize the drill is working harder than you are? The battery dies too fast, the motor struggles with basic tasks, and what should have been a quick project suddenly turns into a frustrating afternoon. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars to get a reliable cordless drill anymore. Today's budget-friendly models are more powerful, more efficient, and more capable than ever before. So today we're counting down the top 5 best cordless drills under $100 you can buy right now. Let's get started. At number 5, the Black+Decker 20-volt max cordless drill/driver. If you're looking for an affordable drill that handles everyday household tasks without any fuss, this is a great place to start. The Black+Decker 20-volt max has been a go-to choice for homeowners for years, and it's easy to see why. It's lightweight, easy to operate, and surprisingly capable for its price. Whether you're assembling furniture, hanging shelves, installing curtain rods, or tackling simple home repairs, it gets the job done without feeling complicated. The compact design makes it easy to use in tight spaces, while the comfortable grip helps reduce fatigue during longer projects. For beginners and casual DIY ears, it's a dependable entry-level option that delivers solid value. At number 4, the Skil DL529 120-volt cordless drill driver. This drill feels like it belongs in a higher price category. The Skil DL529001 combines strong performance with features that make everyday projects easier. One standout feature is the integrated LED work light. It may sound simple, but when you're working inside cabinets, closets, or dimly lit areas, it's incredibly useful. The 2-speed gearbox also adds versatility. You can switch between precise screw driving and faster drilling depending on the task. Performance is impressive for wood, plastic, and light metal applications. And the ergonomic design keeps the drill comfortable even during longer jobs. For DIY enthusiasts who want more capability without breaking the budget, this is an excellent choice. At number 3, the Craftsman V20 cordless drill/driver kit. Craftsman has built its reputation on dependable tools, and this drill continues that tradition. The V20 strikes a great balance between power, comfort, and affordability. What immediately stands out is performance. It handles everyday household projects with ease while offering enough muscle for tougher tasks when needed. The battery platform is another major advantage. Because the battery works with a growing lineup of Craftsman V20 tools, future upgrades become much easier. The grip feels comfortable, the weight stays manageable, and the variable speed trigger provides excellent control when working with delicate materials or small fasteners. For homeowners who value reliability and long-term flexibility, this drill is a smart investment. At number 2, the Ryobi 1 plus 18-volt cordless drill/driver. When it comes to value, few drills are as hard to beat as the Ryobi 1 plus. This drill has become incredibly popular for one simple reason: the ecosystem. One battery works with hundreds of Ryobi tools, making it one of the most versatile platforms available. But even without considering the ecosystem, the drill itself performs extremely well. It delivers strong torque, smooth operation, and enough power for furniture building, deck repairs, home improvements, and workshop projects. The balance feels excellent in the hand. The controls are intuitive, and both beginners and experienced DIY ears will feel comfortable using it. But taking the number 1 spot, the DeWalt DCD771C 220-volt max cordless drill/driver kit. This drill has earned its reputation the hard way, by consistently delivering results. It offers the kind of performance most people expect from drills that cost significantly more. The motor delivers excellent power for both drilling and driving tasks. The compact design allows easy access to tight workspaces. And despite its affordable price, it feels remarkably professional in your hand. The 2-speed transmission adds flexibility, allowing you to switch between high-speed drilling and higher torque fastening whenever needed. Build quality is also outstanding. Everything feels solid, durable, and built to last. Battery performance is reliable, charging is straightforward, and the overall user experience feels polished from start to finish. So, which cordless drill would you choose? The beginner-friendly Black+Decker? The value-packed Ryobi 1 Plus? Or the DeWalt Powerhouse taking the #1 spot? Drop your pick in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more tool reviews and buying guides, and I'll see you in the next one.